James Simons, mathematicians. James Harris Simon, born in 1938, is an American mathematician, billionaire hedge fund manager, and philanthropist. He is the founder of Renaissance Technology, quantitative hedge fund based in East Setauket, New York. He and his fund are known to be quantitative investors using mathematical logics and algorithms to make investment gains from market inefficiencies. Due to the long-term aggregate investment return of Renaissance and Madeline Fund, Simon is described as the greatest investor on Wall Street and more specifically, the most successful hedge fund manager. As reported by Bloomberg Billionaire Index, Simon's net worth is estimated to be $25 billion, making him 66th richest person in the world. Simon is known for his studies on pattern recognition. He developed Chern-Simon form and contributed to the development of string theory by providing a theoretical framework to combine geometry and topology with quantum field theory. In 1994, Simon funded Simon's Foundation with his wife to support research in mathematics and fundamental sciences. He is one of the biggest donors to University of California, Berkeley, establishing Simon's Institute for Theory of Computing in 2012 and to Berkeley's Mathematical Science Research Institute, where he serves as member of Board of Trustees. Investment career. Renaissance Technology. For more than 2 decades, Simon's Renaissance Technology hedge fund, which trade in markets around the world, have employed mathematical models to analyze and execute trade, many automated. Renaissance uses computer-based models to predict price changes in financial institutions. These models are based on analyzing as much data as can be gathered. They're looking for non-random movement to make a prediction. Madeline, the main fund, which is close to outside investors, have earned more than $100 billion in trading profit since its inception in 1988. This translates to 66% growth return or 39% average net return between 1988 to 1218. Renaissance Technology manages 3 other funds: Renaissance Institutional Equity Fund (RIEF), Renaissance Institutional Diversified Alpha (RIDA), and Renaissance Institutional Diversified Global Equity Fund, which as of April 2019 totaled approximately $55 billion in combined assets and were open to outside investors. Renaissance employees specialists with non-financial background, including mathematicians, physicists, signal processing experts, and statisticians. The firm's latest fund His Renaissance Institutional Equity Fund, RIEF, has historically trailed the firm's better-known Medallion Fund, a separate fund that contains only personal money of a firm's executive. It is startling to see such highly successful mathematicians achieve success in another field, says Edward Witten, professor of physics at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, and considered by many of his peers to be the most successful theoretical physicist alive. In 2006, Simon was named Financial Engineer of the Year by International Association of Financial Engineers. In 2020, he was estimated to have personally earned $2.6 billion, $2.8 billion in 2007, $1.7 billion in 2006, $1.5 billion in 2005, and $670 billion in 2004. In October 2009, Simon announced the word that he would retire on 2010 but remain at Renaissance as a non-executive chairman.